auction is what is the price you are giving to the government for the ore on a particular day, in a particular time, month. At that time, if the ore price is very low, then you will get a lower rate. But if the price has gone up, like the rate is going up from $40 to $150 per ton. So if you do the auction when it is $150, you will get different money. If you do it at the $40, you will get a lower amount. So we say auction will not get you the total amount that you should get as owners of the ore. We are not talking about government, we are talking about public of Goa owning the ore. We need to get the best. We need to get the best. How to get the best? If it is done by the corporation will sell all the ore, e-auction all the ore, and all the money will come to the Goa government, and therefore directly the people of Goa will benefit. But if it goes under auction, same principle will come. Maximum revenue will go to the mining companies, profits. Some money will go to Goa government, and maximum money, 30% or something, will go to the central government. And again, Goa government will get very good. In last 8 years of mining, from 2004 to 2012, Goa government got less than 5% of the revenues value of the ore. 5%, less than 3,000 crores. And the mining companies got more than 30,000 crores. So this is not fair at all. This has to stop. And therefore we are insisting that a new, completely clean slate we have to start. Clean slate. In the clean slate, you will hand over the lease to the no need of auction. If you are giving to Goa Development, Mineral Development Corporation, there is no need of auction because it is a government corporation. So they can start the work immediately. They can ask for environment clearance. Nobody will object if it is government corporation. There will be no fights. So they can get the thing to remove. Then the government, the mining corporation can tender the extraction contracts to anybody. It can tender the extraction contract to this Sadhana Cooperative Society in Kollam. They can give them the extraction if they have got the lowest tender. They can give it to a union of all the mining employees. They can start their own mining welfare board. They can bid for this. Why only mining companies? And then they will remove the ore and give it back to the government. Now this is not fanciful thinking. In Telangana, we have supplied the rules also to Telangana. Sand, for example, from the rivers is extracted, the lease is with the government, contract is given to a party, he removes the sand, gives it to the government. Government is selling it at all the government depots for the cheapest possible price. Today, for example, in Goa, sand is coming to 3,000 per cubic meter. In other parts of the country, it is 500 rupees. All bribery is there is no permission, all sand mining is illegal. But Telangana government says we will not allow. You give us the sand, we will sell it to all directly to the consumers we require. So similarly, you cannot sell the ore. No mining company can sell the ore because if they sell the ore, all this dabadagiri starts. And they will misdeclare the quality. They will say it is 53% instead of 58%. They will say it is 20 million tons, but actually it will be 30 million tons. All corruption will start. But if it comes back to the government, then there is very little chance of corruption. Because the government corporation, CAG is there, so many authorities are there to watch over what is done. There will be some corruption, but we will all be watching. Because it is our own. And the money belongs to us. And therefore we say it is best to go to the corporation. Auction is second best. Corporation is best. That is what we are saying. And even better, if you cannot handle, let the ore be in the ground. Let it be in the ground. At least next generation will benefit better because they will have some akkal on how to extract the ore and use it in the most beneficial way for the public. Not for a few families. It has to go to everybody. So, if it remains in the ground, it does not lose its value. Like Bangar, its value will improve because the iron ore is getting less and less everywhere. So it will improve the value, no loss is there. No loss. Only employment opportunity is not there. But otherwise, it is the mal is there in the ground. It can be used when we have got better sense, and the government is ready to do mining as per the interest of the public and as citizens of the state.
So by the time the people are not going to die because of the hunger, as they have plenty of loans on their head.
See, right now why the loans are on their head? Because of illegal mining. Because of illegal mining, everything has been shut down. Now you want to restart. What is the best possible way to restart? You think private mining companies are going to give you money to pay back your loans? They are not going to give you. They have already removed. Fomento has removed about 400 people from Kutegal mines. Everybody has been discharged from their employment from different companies. So who's going to give them the money? Only a corporation can do it. Because the corporation can say that there is a social obligation. Corporation need not go into profit, but corporation can do mining so that maximum people benefit. And we can first negotiate with all the people who have lost from mining in the past few years, with mining workers, truck owners, equipment, people who are supplying equipment, can have a discussion with them how best we can help them reduce their loans. And right now, mining people are the only people who are getting some income from the government. They are getting some subsidy. But mining employees are getting nothing.
Lord Babu, next meeting you should be called
Yes.
by the central government.
We have demanded.
You have
We
demanded.
have demanded you call us, or you call us by ourselves. We are willing to come and be heard separately. But you please call all of us. We will bring representatives from all the different villages to show what mining has done in the villages and how today also their problems are not being solved. This is a much sang. Don't go to
Sir,
And if they don't invite you, then
seriously.
it is their problem if they don't invite. This is a democracy. We are saying the ore belongs to everybody. So if you don't call some people and call somebody else, then it's favoritism. Favoritism is not permitted under Article 14 of the Constitution. You have to deal everybody.
so you will challenge that.
We will challenge any decisions which are taken because they will be one-sided decisions. They are not proper decisions. They should consult everybody.
Sir,
Yes.
we keep on talking about the auctions and the corporation. What about the lease? Why the lease are we still on the hold? If the lease will be given, the money can be easily started.
If the lease can be given, please give till today, after 2 years of negotiation with central government has told them that legally it is not possible to give them the lease up to 2027. Central government has told them on not more than 5 occasions, in writing, in letters. I will show you the letters. Mr. Parikar wrote to them 2 letters. Mr. Pramod Sawant has written them letters. All the replies are saying, please go for auctions. That is a law, sir. 2015, if you do not know, 2015 law has been changed. Law has been changed. You cannot give leases today without auction. Please understand.
But
Goa cannot become an exception to the country.
But ordinance can be passed, right? Because of the support.
Ordinance is law only, Baba. Change the law. You change the law. Can you change the law being in the state government? No, the central law. Now what central government is telling you? We cannot change the law. If they cannot change the law, how they can issue ordinance? Ordinance becomes law, no? First you issue ordinance for 6 months, then it becomes law, no?
Goa scenario is something different now.
Union. All of us now are on equal basis for the whole country. Goa is not special. You cannot say that Goa is so special that Portuguese law should continue till 1987. Nobody will accept. You want Liberation Day, Goa Liberation Day to be celebrated from 1987 or from 1961? 61. So by changing the law, saying that the mining lease will start from 1987, you are saying that Portuguese law will continue till 1987. Is it possible for anybody? Is it possible for BJP government to make such a change? I can understand Congress government would have made because they have got nothing in their head. But BJP government is talking about nationalism, about pride of the nation and all that, and you can imagine if they are going to change a law which will allow Portuguese law to continue from 1961 to 1987. How it is possible? How it is possible?
But now it become an issue of the debate because some are saying for the corporation, some for the auctions and the leases also. So the supplier of the people.
It is either auction or it is corporation. तीसरा उपाय ना 1987 Act is not possible because central government has told Goa government 5 times it is not possible. Latest they have told last week, Zauchena. They have told Mr. Pramod Sawant, you please, but Mr. Pramod Sawant, because of Zilla Parishad election, one day he will say one thing, next day. For last 2 years, Mr. Pramod Sawant has been giving new dates every few weeks. आता सुरू जातले, आता एप्रिलान सुरू जातले, July. If you please, if you are a good journalist, please go over last 2 years newspapers and please see after every day how many times he has kept changing the date. Now he has made it 6 months. 6 months is safe. Because 6 months तो म्हणटालो, मैं सांगले न्हू 6 म्हयन्यात सुरू करतलो म्हणून. So मागीर आयला तूं म्हणटा. So 15 days no longer in use. Now it makes 6 months. After 6 months तूं कितें म्हणटालो? ना आनी 2 वर्सां तरी लागतली. आमी कितें म्हणटा? तुम्ही आता गोवा मिनरल डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन सुरू करतले तुका 2 महिन्यात भितर 2 वर्सां भितर तुका सुरू करूंक जाय पण तुका तें नाका तुमकां ती सगळी मायनिंग लिस्ट आसा तुमकां परत वेदांताक दिवंक जाय आनी परत मोमेंटोक दिवंक जाय मोबायल चॉकलेट दिवंक जाय आनी सालगांवकर दिवंक जाय ते आमी म्हणटा ते करूंक जायना तो पिरियड जालो काबार जालो.
So basically, purposely, these things have been done. There are some hidden agendas.
No hidden agenda. The agenda is we are moving from private agenda to public agenda. In the old agenda, private agenda, only 5-6 companies and families were benefiting. In the new agenda, every Goenka 15 lakh people will benefit. No hidden agenda. Perfect. There is a case for a review petition. Then it comes into outside in the court and we are given notice. So till that time, review petition cannot be heard.
And that declaration that you spoke about of vote belonging to the public,
Yes.
belonging to the people of state.
Yes.
It is in which
It's in the mineral policy, national mineral policy. National mineral policy, we have quoted it in the, I think we have quoted it in this press note we have given. It is there. Part of the inheritance of zero loss to the owners. Yeah. आणि की 6 महिने my friend Hanuman Parab is saying 6 महिन्यात पाऊस सुरू जातो. मागीर म्हणटले आनी की 4 महिने पावसात गेलो आमी कितें करतले म्हणून मागीर 1 वर्स जातलें. So this is not the आणि तुमची कितें कोण सांगपाचें आहा तुमी सांगात 2 मिनटां सांगात कित्याक तांकां आतां ना तो Pramod Sawant has said that if we want to, our paperwork is done, we are ready to start any
what
time.
is the paperwork done?
We have to.
Are you aware whether any paperwork is
ना
done?
आम्ही ते RTI फाईल करून आम्ही करतले. Now that you have told us आम्ही RTI फाईल करतले. Please give us access to the file relating to
Because I have seen
Goa mineral.
I have seen no act of the government in the direction of setting up a mineral. Absolutely. There is no cabinet.
So that means it will take another आणि वर्षा जातली. आणि वर्षा.
Although verbally he is saying it is that auction is on the table, he's saying that, but there
So
is no-
even for auction,
Yeah.
he has done no work.
No work.
I have checked with the director, previous director. As an auctioner खातीर, you have to do evidence. Evidence rules are there, which have come in 2015. Auction rules have come in 2015. Very complicated. You have to do all prospecting.
First of all, you have to
do mining
You
block.
have to prospect.
You have to do mining block. You have to find out all the minerals. Okay, because you cannot auction something unless you know what the value is. No? Suppose I want to auction this. I must say that this is an iPad or this is an iPhone. Then people will bid. If I say it is a smartphone, people will bid something. So it is under mal.
Yes, sir.
So if you don't know what the mining lease is being given for 50 years. So 50 years you must know what mal is there on the ground. Now how you will give auction? ते सगळे सोदूंक जाय रिसर्च करपाक प्रॉस्पेक्टिंग करूंक जाय ते कांयच करूंक ना. सो ऑक्शनूय बंद आणि कॉर्पोरेशन आमी सारकें कॉर्पोरेशन जर सुरू केल्यार एटलीस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन कॅन से ओके वी विल स्टार्ट नाव डुईंग द प्रॉस्पेक्टिंग. Give us 6 months. I mean 6 months भितर आमी सगळे प्रॉस्पेक्टिंग करतले. Then we will find out. Then we will say here there is so much ore. We are going to give an extraction contract for this area. We will make a mining block. Then we will go and get permission. But permission does not have to be taken by the extractor. Permission is taken by the leaseholder. Leaseholders Goa Mineral Development Corporation. पैसा त्याला he will never write BJP government here, BJP government there. तुरंत मिळून जाय नो. तुरंत मिळून जाय नो. We are asking for environmental health. Get the environmental health and start the work. Who's objecting? We have got